Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Malika with Rainy Day Crafts, and today I'll be showing you how I made my giveaway winner her name tag. So my winner is Resin Wishes. I had a little 100 follower giveaway over on Instagram, and so she asked for me to make a store tag for her. Now, if you are interested in entering any of my future giveaways, make sure you head over to my Instagram, Rainy Day Crafts, and follow me there because that's where all the information about it will be. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. So I already have my resin mixed up. I have 1:1 ratio epoxy resin, and so I'm just going to be adding in a nice thin layer of that. And then I use the resin for other projects as well. But after that, I go ahead and put my beads in. These beads are from Dollar Tree, I believe, and they come in like a mixed pack. So it's all different colors and everything. I ended up having to buy 4 of them just so I could get enough beads. But go ahead and put them out. Make sure you put them upside down and backwards, because then on the right side they'll show up correctly. But go ahead and place them how you want, and then also your stickers as well. A little tip is just to have them over on the side pre-arranged how you want them to, so you can just work quickly. This is sped up a lot actually. But I'm using, the beads are from Dollar Tree, like I said. What I'm putting in now is like Galaxy holographic stickers that I got from, I believe it was probably Sophie and Toffee. And then I have Relicuma stickers as well, because she just asked for Galaxy themed and like the colors of her logo, which is a Galaxy mason jar, but then she said go crazy otherwise. And so I did Relicuma stickers. And I didn't realize that the Relicuma stickers are 2 different total types of opacity. So the one up top and bottom are like kind of transparent, a lot more transparent. And then Relicuma's friends that I put in the middle are kind of have a fuller opacity. But you just finish up with that and let that cure. And so now I have more resin. And in that one with the white pigment in it, I'm adding in some blue mica powder, and I also put in some purple, just 1 scoop of light purple. And so in the other one, I'm putting in rose gold. And so the blue and the purple is from Let's Resin, and then the rose gold is from, I can't remember, it's Architect or something like that. I'll see if I can find it. But so I'm just putting it in the little thing. I'll also see if I can find her logo so I can show you what the inspiration is supposed to be. But yeah, so you just put enough in there to make sure it's all covered, and then you let it cure. And so this is the final product. Just like a couple of things that I feel like I could work on. First of all, I've already mentioned the opacity of the Relakuma stickers. It also seems like my holographic stickers of all the galaxy themed ones didn't show up as holographic as I would like, so I have to look into that as well. But other than that, I think it's really, really cute. She told me she's a Gemini at some point, so that's the Gemini constellation stars. And I don't know, I really like it. I really do. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. All right? Have a good day. Make sure you like if you like. Bye.